How to log out of your Target account. It's a very simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump into the video. First thing first, head over to your App Store. In the search bar, search for Target. Head over to the app and then open it. If you are logged into your account, it will be landing you on the home page. Once you're in here, move into your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tons of different settings will be available to you. Move into Profile. Now at the top right corner, you can see the option where it says Sign Out. All you want to do is click on it. After that, click on Confirm. Once you click on Confirm, you will be successfully logged out of your specific account, and then you will be good to go. Well, you can log back to your account anytime you want to. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can log out of your Target account. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.